Greetings, our classmates. It's Don Reed, and this video is about why I believe we need more manufacturing plants in Cumberland County, Crossville, Tennessee. One is because we need more competition. We have a few factories here, but we need some factories that offer jobs, offer good pay. After looking up Goodwin University, it says the average factory worker in the United States makes about $30 an hour. Now, and this led me to, in remembrance of, if you can remember from other videos and papers I've written, I used to be a reserve deputy, and I traveled all over Cumberland County and have met a lot of people. And what I'd say high class, from doctors, medical doctors, to people who dig up rock for a living. I mean, just from disability to everything you can imagine. And of course, I am 51 years old, so I've been around a little bit, and that helps, getting out knowing people. But the one thing I have noticed, and you can back it up through the U.S. Census and through the ACA coverage of what they decide, what kids get at school to eat for free or how that works. The U.S. Census says that there are about 62,000 people plus in Cumberland County, over 62,000. The median income in Cumberland County is $52,630 a year. That is good money, but that doesn't mean everybody is getting that much. And that is for people who have a household of 2.26. Now, I don't know how you have a 0.26 in a household, but well, here's the thing. The ACA coverage for 5 people is $31,040. Well, that looks like more people in this town are making above poverty level. No, because 5 people at $31,000 is way less than 2-3 people in a household with $52,000. So more manufacturing plants brings in more money. Another reason for more manufacturing plants in Cumberland County is to have insurance and retirement benefits and other benefits like sick days and personal leaves, paid vacation time for people. The census says that there are 12.8% of Cumberland County people without insurance. That's 8,000 plus without medical insurance, which is something that big manufacturing companies can bring when they bring in this. Another thing is less travel time. It's an average of almost 23 minutes for a person to get to work. If we had more factories throughout the county, thus we would have less travel time. People can be more at home with family. That is something that concerns me. Now, when I'm talking manufacturing plants, then I'm talking big manufacturing plants, like cola companies, like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, RC Cola. I like RC Cola. Food processing plants, like maybe Tyson. Get something big in here. Clothing manufacturers, well, like shoes. Whatever, Nike. Vehicle manufacturing plants, Ford, General Motors, Chrysler. How about factories that make electronics? They pay good. And it will give people that don't have, even a high school education or even higher education, a chance to make something. And when you get these companies in here, it creates competition. And people need to do more hiring. And I think this is something we need in Cumberland County. I think it may be something you could think about you need in your county. not just making it a county for just retirees or whatever, but making this county where people can survive and make livable wages and make something for themselves. Well, there's my video. I appreciate it. Good luck on your journey in life.